In this video, I will show you how to get a TikTok stream key. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open TikTok on your mobile device and then simply tap on the plus button. Now the next step is to simply tap on live. So you're gonna have to swipe until you see the live option, and then you're gonna have to select live studio. Now here you're gonna have to simply tap on get access. Now keep in mind that you need to have at least 1000 followers on your TikTok account in order to get this access. Now after you tap get access, you're gonna see these requirements. So as you can see, you're gonna have to go live for one time in the last 180 days. Each live is at least 25 minutes. So after you go live normally with the camera, you're gonna be able to get access and get the stream key. Now with this stream key, you can paste it in your favorite streaming app like OBS or Streamlabs, and you can start making lives from your computer on TikTok. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.